Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Das Academy of Science. In this video, we discuss about sp hybridization and formation of C2H2, that is ethane. You know very well, atomic number of carbon is 6, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Let us see the electron configurations of carbon in ground state and excited state. In ground state, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. But in excited state, one electron from 2s orbital goes to 2pz orbital, so that in excited state, electron configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So here in 2s orbital and 2p orbitals having unpaired single electron each. But in sp hybridization, only 2s orbital and any one of 2p orbitals. Let's take an example of 2px orbital. So one 2s orbital and one 2px orbital undergo into hybridization. So that this hybridization is called sp hybridization and form two identical sp hybrid orbitals. But here 2py orbital and 2pz orbital, which are unhybridized, remaining the same as just p orbitals. If you see in figures, this is 2s orbital of carbon, 2px orbital, 2py orbital, 2pz orbital. Here 2s orbital and 2px orbital, only two orbitals undergoes into sp hybridization, and these two orbitals remix and reshuffle and forms two identical hybrid orbitals with equal energy and same shape. These two orbitals are called sp hybrid orbitals, and 2py orbital and 2pz orbitals remaining the same without any hybridization. Now these two sp hybrid orbitals are formed like this. The angle between these two hybrid orbitals is 180 degrees. Now here unhybridized pz orbital and py orbital are like this. Now sp hybrid orbital of one carbon and sp hybrid orbital of another carbon overlap end on end and form sigma sp bond, and each carbon has one more sp hybrid orbital. These two hybrid orbitals overlap with the s orbital of hydrogen atom and forms sigma sps bonds. Now each carbon has unhybridized py orbital, similarly pz orbital, and now these py orbitals are parallel to each other and they cannot overlap end on end, so they overlap partially and form pi py bond. Similarly, pz orbitals also parallel to each other, so they also not overlap end on end, they overlap partially or laterally and form pi pz bond. Now, in this molecule, there is sigma sp-sp bond and two sigma sp-s bonds and two pi bonds. In between carbon atoms, three bonds are present. One is sigma bond and another two are pi bonds. Sigma sp-sp bond and two pi bonds. They are pi py bond and pi pz bond. So in total there is triple bond between carbon atoms, and this is CH triple bond CH, that is ethane molecule. So if you observe in this slide, so there are in total 5 bonds are present: sigma sp-sp bond, sigma sp-s bonds, and pi py and pi pz bonds. This is about ethane molecule. Thank you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel, Das Academy of Science.